So let's do a little demo on a wireless, and through packet tracer I will walk you through one by one the steps. Basically we will configure two access points. We will give the same SSID which with the name like JSS. We will use WPA2 authentication, and we will do the password. Okay, we will put this device on a channel 1. Okay, and the same configuration will be here, the same SSID, same WPA2 password, but we talked about the channel. We will keep this on a channel number 6. Why? So we should have kind of overlapping. Okay, then we will have one laptop which will be connected with this router. Then we will shut down this router to see the connectivity, that seamlessly it will this router will take over. Since we do not have anything like we do roaming, so that's the reason I'm going to switch this off. So let's very quickly jump onto the lab, and we will do the Cisco Packet Tracer lab. So we are here, and at this time you might be familiar with the Cisco Packet Tracer a little bit, because I have already gone through many examples. So in this lab we're gonna do a lab on a wireless. So what you can do, click on these devices, or just a minute, you need to go under network devices, and then we have these things. If you mouse over on that, it's written wireless devices. So click on that. Then we have so many things here, like Meraki based routers, belongs to Cisco. Wireless LAN controllers, these are the wireless LAN controls, these are the home router, these are the access points. So for this lab, let's use this home router. Okay, just give it name like R1, and very quickly let's what we are gonna configure, like SSID, we will make it like JSS. Encryption, we're gonna use WPA2. The password we're gonna use let's keep it simple, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the channel number we will keep this one on a 1. So just copy this one. Okay, then place another router and give it a name like R2, and with the same configuration but channel number 6. So just keep it here. So this is the information we want to need. And for the IP that will be allocated to our laptop, whatever the default is, we will keep it as it is. Okay, so you need to go into the computer and pick one wireless laptop. This is the laptop. Okay, so first thing first, let's configure the laptop first. Okay, so click on the laptop. Just zoom in. As you can see that its power is on and it is currently using fast Ethernet. Okay, we do not want. If you will drag and drop, you will see it will give you error because we need to power it off first of all. So from here, just click on the button and it's power off. and drag and drop here. Because we're gonna use wireless, we want to install a Wi-Fi device on that, or adapter, which is this WPC 300, and you can see here as well. So what you can do, just drag and drop here. Okay, so this Linksys WC 300 has been installed. Now click on the power, and the device's laptop is working. So as you can see, it is directly connected, but we do not want. Later on we will change this one. So now you need to go under desktop, and you can see we have the option PC wireless. You need to click that one. You will get something like that. It means your wireless adapter is connected and it is giving a good signal strength. Just close this one. This part has been done. Later on we will connect it with the routers, but we need to configure the router first. So what you need to do, first click on this router and zoom it in and switch it off. It has been switched off. Okay, now it is connected with this one. So click on this one. Basically, it is not connected, but it is showing my wireless adapter has detected that there is a wireless access point. So click on this wireless home router. You need to go under GUI, which is graphical user interface. Click on that one. And if you are familiar with the Linksys, now the Linksys, Cisco has owned the Linksys, by the way. But if you have any idea with the Linksys configuring these devices, if you will see these color scheme, you will quickly guess that this belongs to the Linksys, by the way. So we need to configure these SSID security thing. So first thing first, you need to go into the wireless. Okay, and as you can see, the network mode is auto. That network name SSID, and we know that what SSID we want to put. We want to put JSS. Okay, the SSID is broadcast is enabled, standard channel. The channel we promise that we will keep it on a 1. Okay, and then keep this auto bandwidth, and that's it. Then we need to go into the security. Click on this one, click this one, and we said that we want to enable WPA2. Okay, so keep it WPA2 personal. So click on that. We have to select the encryption, which is the strongest one, which is AES. Select this one. The password we will keep 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and from bottom just save the settings. So very quickly, just see if our configuration is working or fine. Click on here, and I forgot to save this one, sorry for that. So click here, SSID is JSS, channel is the first one, and do the save setting. So click on a save setting. So now it has been saved. Go to the wireless security again. We can see our AES and the passphrase is there. If I go back, and we can see the things are working fine, and that's it. And just close this one, come to this laptop, click on this PC wireless, click on this connect tab, and refresh this one. as you can see, the JSS job skill share SSID is visible. Okay, but I don't want to connect right now because I want to enable the another router as well with the same configuration, and then I will connect with this one. So what we can do for the time being, come here physical and just switch it off. So I don't want any kind of connectivity right now. So click on this router, zoom it in and switch it on first of all. Then go to the GUI and perform the same method that we did with the router one. So we need to go into the wireless. Okay, from here we need to keep it auto, and the SSID should be same, JSS. SSID broadcast is enabled, channel bandwidth and channel. You remember what channel we need to put it at? Channel number 6. Then come down and save the settings. Then we need to go into the wireless security and we need to enable the WPA2 personal, which is AES, as we can remember that TKIP belong to just WPA. Okay, so we want to keep it AES, which is strongest one, and the passphrase is the same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And from here just save the settings. Okay, and just double check the configuration. It is JSS, channel is 6, wireless security is there. Okay, that's fine. So just switch it off again because we want this laptop to connect with this one. Okay, so you need to go inside GUI. As you can see, it need to be powered on. So powered it on and go into GUI. Under setup, the basic setting, you see automatic configuration for the DHCP, and we know that this access point will work as the DHCP as well. So you can see it is using 192.168.1.1. okay, the IP address for this access point itself, which is handing over the IPs from 100 all the way to 50. So it means IP address ranges are 192.168.1.100 all the way to 149. So DHCP is currently enabled. Okay, so things are pretty much fine on this one, and we need to check the IP configuration there as well on this router as well. So click on this one, turn it on, go into GUI, and as you can see the same similar information is there as well, 1.1. Now we need to connect this laptop with this router. So click on this one, go into PC wireless, click on the connect and click on the refresh. So as you can see, it's supposed to be 1, by the way, because this is a simulation environment. That's the reason we are seeing these two. As you can see, one is on a channel number 6 and another one is on a channel number 1. If you here you can see this is channel number 6 and channel number 1. But since we are using the same SSID, there shouldn't be like this. It should be like only JSS. Okay, but no problem, we know that we have configured channel 1 for this one. So we will select this one, click on the connect, and we know that we are using WPA2 personal and the passphrase is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So before I go do connect, I just want to make the confirmation that it has no any kind of IPs. So click on IP config, and you can see nothing is going on. Okay, so this is wireless LAN 0 connection. If I try to ping this one router, let's say 192.168.0.1, which I can ping, which it shouldn't, by the way, this is a glitch. So I want to release this one. Okay, and I need to go into this laptop, go into the configuration, or just close this one, click on this PC wireless, connect, refresh. As you can see, it is not connected. Okay, we have signal strength, but it is not connected. So clicked on refresh, select this JSS, this one, channel 1, connect, and we need to put on the passphrase. Let's give a wrong passphrase, 7865432 and connect. As you can see, there is no association with the access point because we gave a wrong passphrase. So this time let's click on this one and click on the connect, refresh this one, click on this one, the one with the this one, connect, and this time we will put the right password, which is 1234567 and click on connect. Okay, when we will come here, I will try ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. As you can see, the IP has been given. Okay, for the this wireless access point. If I try to ping my router, the default gateway, as you can see, I can ping this router. So to show you that how seamlessly this router will take over. Okay, what I can do, just I need to double check that it is working. Yeah, as you can see, now it has changed to 0.1. Just a minute, let me check. This is also 0.1. Okay, no problem. So these both are using what IP is scheme 192.168.0.x network. So both routers are working on 192.168.0 network. So this router will hand over the same range, and when this router will be down, this router will take over and will give the same IP. Okay, so what we will do, we will do a continuous ping, and you know how we will do the continuous ping with -t, 192.168.0.1. So as you can see, the ping is going on. We will come here and we will switch this off and just wait, and as you can see, it very quickly connected to this router. But let's see what it made effect. Just only one request timeout, So it means we were using internet connectivity, and as we moved from this router to this router, we did roaming seamlessly. It just moved us from this router to this router. Okay, so this is the concept of roaming, seamless roaming. I hope you got the idea how SSID, because we have gone through these all configurations, and how this laptop automatically jumped over from this router to this router. As this went down, as this access point went down, this access